Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh appeals to people to help restore peace and normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir. Speaking at a function in Uttar Pradesh, Home Minister says it is saddening to see stones and firearms in the hands of Kashmiri youth instead of pens and computers. As part of 70th Independence Day celebrations program Azadi 70 Saal Yaad Karo Qurbani, union ministers are visiting various places associated with the freedom struggle. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley will visit Jallianwala Bagh, while Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu will attend a function in Delhi. Union Minister Piyush Goyal will be in Burdwan, while Suresh Prabhu will be in Ratnagiri. BJP President Amit Shah and D.V. Sadanand Gowda will flag off Tiranga Yatra in Mangaluru. Union Minister Manoj Sinha along with Hansraj Gangaram Ahir and Mahindra Singh will be in Nashik, the birthplace of Ganesh Damodar Savarkar and Veer Savarkar. Tantia Top. Union Minister of State Anil Kumar Dave to pay tribute to Lala Lajpat Rai. Russian Deputy Prime Minister met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to brief him on the progress in the ongoing projects between India and Russia. Describing Russia as a time-tested and reliable friend, Prime Minister reaffirmed the shared commitment to expand, strengthen and deepen bilateral engagements. Nepalese Deputy Prime Minister also called on Prime Minister Modi. Deputy RBI Governor Urjit Patel will succeed Raghuram Rajan as the Governor of the Central Bank. Patel joined the Central Bank on January 11, 2013 and had been heading the Monetary Policy Department. The two-day conference of BRICS women parliamentarians will conclude today in Jaipur. Around 42 women parliamentarians from the BRICS countries, including 28 MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, are participating in the meet. CBI on Saturday conducted searches at the residences of a bookie and a businessman in Mumbai in connection with the 2015 bribery case against the former Joint Director of Enforcement Directorate in Ahmedabad. CBI had last year registered a case of criminal conspiracy against former Joint Director, who is alleged to have extorted money from those accused of money laundering in the IPL betting racket case. In Panitanki area of West Bengal, drugs worth rupees 15 crores was seized in India-Nepal border. A woman from Mizoram, Lalchu Anami, was arrested. In Gaya district of Bihar, locals thronged a well in large numbers following report of petrol-type oil discovery. Local administration has decided to seal the well and a probe will be conducted. Incessant rains in many parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh have resulted in floods. Heavy rains have triggered floods in parts of MP, UP and Bihar. Water has entered houses in Patna as well. 15 people are reported dead in the last 24 hours in Madhya Pradesh alone. NDRF deployed an army on standby for relief work. At least 30 people were killed and dozens more were wounded in an attack possibly carried out by a suicide bomber on a wedding party in the Turkish city of Gaziantep near the Syrian border. The explosion took place in the Sahin Bey district of the city, which is said to have a large number of Kurdish residents. Afghanistan's former President Hamid Karzai has appreciated Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement on the human rights situation in Balochistan and said that he understands the situation in Pakistan's beleaguered province. He also said that he sympathizes with the people of Pakistan's western province. Indo-Canadian Sikh MP Bardish Chaggar has been named as the new leader of the government in Canada's House of Commons, becoming the first woman to hold the post in the country's history. India will look for another medal from wrestler Yogeshwar Dutt on the final day of sporting action in Rio. Men's marathon will feature 3 Indian runners as the games draw to a close tonight. Brazil's captain Neymar delivered the country's first Olympic men's football gold medal with the winning penalty in a 5-4 shootout victory over Germany in a thrilling final at Rio's Maracana Stadium. Brazil had lost the Olympic final 3 times in 1984, 1988 and 2012, but have now won the only international title. Barcelona star Neymar has stepped down as Brazil captain after leading the Olympic Games hosts to their first ever football gold medal.